Hello guys, today we have to learn third chapter of mathematics. The name of chapter is addition. Okay, here we have to learn more important concept is one more, right? One more, and here I will explain two symbols. Okay, and you have to uh, understand properly which are these two symbols. Okay, and we have to use these two symbols in whole chapter. Okay, this symbol plus and is equal to. Okay, our uh, aim is to understand these two symbols. Okay, this one and this one, we have to understand these two symbols. The name of that symbol is plus and name of this symbol is equal to. Okay, now we am going to read first para, right? Okay, one little parrot, one little parrot singing I love you. One more join in making them two. Okay, here you can see one parrot. Okay, uh, one little parrot singing I love you. Okay, one more joins in. One is added in there, and there you will be see two parrot. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, right? Two little parrots. Here you can see two little parrots resting on a tree. Here you can see they are resting here, right? Here you can see they are resting on tree. One more joins in. Here you can see, here you can see he join here and making them three. Okay, two parrots are on the tree. Okay, plus one parrot. One means that parrot join them and making them three parrot, right? Three parrots. Parrot. Okay, now two little parrots resting on tree. I have read already. Okay, now three little parrots looking for more. Okay, these three parrots, one, two, and three. These three parrots looking for more. Okay, here you can see one more parrot, one more parrot join in. One more parrots join in, making them four, making them four, right? Okay, here you can see three parrots plus one is equal to how many? Is equal to how much? 4, right? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now four little parrots. Here you can see four little parrots wanting to die. Okay, wanting to dive. One more joins in, making them 5. Okay, one more joins in, right? One more joins in means 4 plus 1 is equal to how much? Is equal to 5. So this is the correct method where you can get an answer. Okay, here you can see how many altogether. Okay, here you have to see in a first box how much cows are there. One and two. That means two cows are in this box, right? And one cows are in second box. Our answer is equal to three cows, right? Three cows. Here already we are given three cows, right? Now here in first box three children and two children. Here you can see three children and here you can see two children, right? Three children and two children is equal to five children. Here you can see five children, right? Now here are five flowers and two flowers. We have to write here in this small box five flowers plus two flowers is equal to seven flowers. One, two, three, four, five, six and 7. Here our answer will be 7, right? Here four birds on the branch of the tree. One, two, three, four, and here two birds. One, two, means here our answer will be 4, and here we have to write 2. 4 and 2 is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer will be 6. Okay, good. How many altogether? We have to make addition between these two boxes. Here you can see I have added the symbol of plus. Plus means addition. Here you can see 5 shirt plus 2 shirt. How much will be addition? Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And here plus 1, 2 means 7, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Therefore 6 and 2 is equal to 8. Okay. Here we have to write or we have to solve the question. Here you can see 5 tomatoes. How much? 5 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have to write 5, right? 5, and there is nothing in this box, therefore our answer will be 0 is equal to 5, right? 5, right? 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Okay, in this box nothing means there is 0. When we add 0 in any number, that means the number will same. Okay, here you can see 4 ants in this box and 2 ants in other box, there then our addition will be 6. 1 2 3 4 plus 2. 1 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 4 and 2 is equal to 6. Okay, here you can see here are two books, 1 2, and here also 1 2. That means our in this box you have to write 0. Okay, 2 plus 0 is equal to, the meaning of this symbol is equal to, is equal to, is equal to, right, is equal to 2. Okay, how many altogether? We have to make addition of flowers. Here you can see here cat. Here are 4 flowers in the hand of cat, and here you can see rat, 3 flowers in the hand of rat. All together are 7. Okay, 7 flowers. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, next here you can see 5 puppies, 4 puppies, and here are 2 puppies, means our answer will be 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Therefore we have to write here numbers 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, now here you can see uh, this boy is showing 4 object, and this boy is also showing 4 object. Here you can see one boy is showing 8 object. That means 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Here you can see two symbols. There is plus and there is equal to. You have to pronunciate this for this plus, and for this is equal to. Okay, addition. Now we have to add numbers, right? Here you can see 2 dash. Here you can see 2 point, and here you can see 3 point, and we have to add these 2 points and 3. Our answer will be 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. You can write in this format also. Okay, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That means you can write horizontally or vertically also. Okay, here you can see 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and here is the vertical. Vertically also you can write 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, right? 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 5. 5 means here you can see my hand, this is 5 and this is 1. This is, when we make addition, this is all together means 6. Okay, our answer will be 6, right? Here also we have to write 6 in this box. Now 3, this is my two hands. Okay, here you can see the three numbers 3, and this is 6, and this 1 means 5 plus 1 means 6, plus this 3 means my answer is 9. Okay, I have to write here 9, and this answer will be 7. uh, Same 9. Okay, yeah, 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 means 7. When we add 0 number in any number, that number will be same. Okay, here our answer will be 7. Okay. 0 plus 9 means 9. I have already told you, when we add 0 in any number, our answer will be same. 9 means 9 plus 0 means 9. Addition. We have to make addition of balloons. Okay, here we have give example already. You can see this boy. You can see three balloons are in hand of this boy, and two balloons are in hand of that girl. Okay, 2 3 plus 2 will be 5 balloons. Here you can see this boy, uh, 5 balloons you can see in the hand of that boy. Okay, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 balloons. Okay, now 2 balloons plus 0. Okay, here is nothing, therefore our answer will be 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 balloons. This boy has 3 balloons, but this girl is hasn't nothing balloons, means 0, right? 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 balloons, right? Next, here you can see 4 balloons. 4 balloons has to this boy, but 0 balloons has to this girl. She has 0 balloons, and he has 4 balloons. Our answer will be 4, right? Our answer will be 4, right? Next, he has 5 balloons, but she has 0 balloons. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. I have already told you, when we add 0 means nothing. Our answer will be 5. Here also you can see this boy has 3 balloons, and this girl has 4 balloons. When we add together, our answer will be 7. Here you can see 7. He has 7 balloons, therefore our answer will be 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, right? Now here you can make again addition. Grapes. Here is the bundle of grapes, right? Here you can see grapes. 3 plus 1 2 3 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, which is already given. We have to make here. Here you can see apples, right? These are the apples. These are the 4 apples plus 4 apples, right? We have to do the addition. How we can do addition? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, right? Here you can see my hand. This is 5 5, but here we have given 4 plus 4 is equal to, here you can see all together 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Therefore our answer will be 8, right? Now here you can see 5 objects, 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? Here you have to write 5 1 2 means 2 is equal to 5 plus 2 means 7. See, I will show you. This is 5 and this is 2. When you see all together, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Therefore, our answer will be 7. Okay, here you can see the picture of pears. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Therefore the answer of this box is say 6 1 2 3 3 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, is equal to 9. Here you can see my hand. This is 5 and this is 1 means 6 and this is 3. When we add together 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, therefore our answer will be 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, add and match. We have to make add and also match, right? This is very interesting. Here we have given the numbers, and here in this box we has given the circles in this box, and here also we are given numbers. We have to make addition and join the line with this box, right? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, right? Here also you can see 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 and in which box you can see 5 circles. Here you can see, and this is already we are given, here are 5 circles, 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore this is completed. Now 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Here you can see 3 plus 1, no, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, right? 3 plus 3 equal to 6. In which box you can see 6 circles? Here you can see 6 circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Join this line with these two boxes, right? 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, is equal to 7, and here also you can see 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now we get same number in these two boxes. We have to find out 7 in this box. Here you can see 7 circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Now you have to join these two boxes with the with this one box. Okay, now 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Now we have to find same in this box also. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Now we have to find out 8 circles in this box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we get 8 circles in this box, therefore we have to join the line with these two same numbers, right? Good. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here also you can see 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Right? 9. Now we have to find 9 circles. Here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we get 3 boxes and same addition, therefore we have to join these 3 boxes with each other, right? Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, right? And here you can see 1, 2, 3. The same number we get. Now we have to join these 3 boxes with each other, right? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to also 4, and here you can see 4 circles. Then therefore we have to join these 3 boxes with each other. Now this is completed. Now we have to make addition of these numbers. This is very interesting when we make addition between numbers, right? 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 means 9. How get 9 answer? You can see my hands properly. Here are 2 and sorry, here are 2 and 5 plus 2, 7. Here are 7 and here are 2. Okay, I will count together. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Therefore, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Right? Is equal to 9. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. When we add together, what will be our answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer will be 8. Our answer will be 8. Okay. Now, this is my two hands. In this hand we have 4 numbers, but in this hand nothing, means 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. How many? 4. Okay, 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2, when we add together, we will get 4 fingerprint. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means our answer will be 4. Okay. Here are also we have to do some additions. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. When we add together, our answer will be 4. 4. Here you can see 4 plus 5. 4 plus 1. When we add together, we will get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5. 0 plus 2. 0. In this hand, nothing. But here is 2. Count. 1, 2. Therefore, our answer will be 2. Now, 3. Here 3 and here is 4. When we add together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, our answer will be 7. Right? Now, this is the vertical presentation of addition. Here you can see vertical presentation, horizontally and vertical. These are the same, but the structure is different. Okay, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now you can understand clearly and you can solve properly. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 0 plus 8 it is equal to 8. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Okay, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Write the missing numbers, numerals, right? We have to find missing numerals. You can put any numbers, but our answer will be 5. For example, I will put here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, or 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Also I can put here 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. All answer will be same. 5. All answer will be same, right? Here also you can write 7 plus 0, right? 3 plus 4, 6 plus 1. You can write anything, but answer will be 7, right? Final answer will be 7. There are so many methods to write or to solve this addition. Okay, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, or 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, or 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, or 6 plus 2 is equal to also 8, or 8 plus 0 is equal to also 8, right? Here you can use so many methods to solve this question. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, right? Or 0 plus 1 is equal to also 1. Okay, now guys, I'm stop here. In my opinion, you will understand when you see this session properly, then you will make addition of that numbers. Okay, now we will meet in the next section. Thanks for watching.